Where we look at the results, telco service provider Safaricom has today announced its full-year financial result for the year ending March 2023, where the telco has reported a 22% decline in profit on the back of slow return on investment on the Ethiopian business. The telco giant, however, remained optimistic that the potential for growth in Ethiopia is still huge, even as the target 2027 for the Ethiopian business to break even.
Fuliza, I'm like Dilip. I thought the Fuliza question would not show up, but here it is. Fuliza is a very successful offering to our consumer side of financial services business. It is very high penetration. We have about between 7 and 8 million customers that use it on a regular basis. So it is actually, and remember, it is emergency credit. We reduced cost of Fuliza as at last year to about 50%. So therefore, it's much more affordable now, including the first 3 days being free. So if you see a reduction in our numbers, it's primarily because of the reduction in tariff, not because of the reduction in usage, which is good because long term we expect it to be more successful. Clearly now we have always been intending to go for support merchant credit, whether on the overdraft side but also on the term loan. So we've just launched merchant credit overdraft. We have about 73,000 opted-in merchants out of our 600 merchants, which we have today, 600,000 merchants. And we intend, I'm told by the team, we intend to hit the 100,000 mark quite soon. Once you start hitting those numbers, then the usage side, we can push quite a bit. So far, we've seen 2.7 billion borrowed by the merchants who have now opted in. The penetration of borrowed to opted in is still low, but it's because we are not above the line. Last week we launched above the line, so we expect that to progress going forward.
Now, still on Safaricom results, where the company results show that there has been a slow return on investment